Dreaming of early retirement. Want to earn money while you sleep. Imagine waking up every day knowing your bank balance is growing. Without clocking in a 9 to 5 job. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what passive income can do for you. But wait, before you think this is the some get rich quick scheme, let me be real with you. Passive income takes work, at least in the beginning. But if you set it up right, you can create a money making system that work for you, not the other way around. Today, I am breaking down 15 the best passive income ideas that can help you build wealth and take control of your financial future. Let's go. This is Sachin Chaudhary. I hope so this video very much helpful for you. So let's continue. Passive income is money that keeps coming with a little to no daily effort from you. But don't be forget, it's not completely hands off. You will need to put the work upon the create an income stream that eventually runs the autopilot. Why should you care? Extra money without another job, more financial freedom, and early retirement potential and protection of your job loss. Number 1. Invest in real estate. Purchasing rental properties can generate passive income, but it's hard to buy with the cash and avoid debit. Managing tenants, maintenance, and marketing requires effort unless you can hire a property manager. Investing in the properties near you ensure better oversight. Number 2. Rent out a safer room. If buying property isn't possible, rent out the room or lease your space on the Airbnb. Short-term rental require regular cleaning and maintenance, while long-term leases provide a steady income. Check local regulation and update insurance coverage accurately. Number 3. Monetize storage space. Unused garage, basement, or sheds can generate income through storage rental platform like Neighbor or iStorage. Secure storage space for vehicles or equipment, command high rates, install security measures, and added protection. Number 4. Rent out equipment. Earn money by renting tools, outdoor gear, event supply on the platform like Spinster and Petlemla. Community-based rentals by social media or flyers can also attack the local rentals. Use rental agreement to prevent the losses. Number 5. Rent out your vehicles. Platforms like Turo and Boston allow you to rent your cars or boats for extra income. Ensure proper insurance coverage and maintaining the vehicles regular to avoid the unexpected cost. Number 6. Start blog or YouTube channel. Creating engaging content that attract the audience and generate the income through ads, sponsored affiliate marketing, and many more. While setup requires support, once established, a successful blog or YouTube channel can provide the long-time basis passive income. Number 7. Write an ebook or digital guide. Turn your expertise into a digital product such as ebook or guide and sell it on platforms like Kindle Direct Publisher (KDP). With effective marketing, you can earn loyalties of years with minimal ongoing effort. Number 8. Create an online courses. Leverage platform like Udemy to monetize your knowledge. Once published, course require little maintenance and generate income however student enroll. Number 9. Stock sell photos or music. Photographs or photographer can sell emails or sites like FWAP and Shutterstock, while musician can license their tracks or YouTube podcasts. Digital asset require on the one-time creation you can yield ongoing the revenue. Number 10. Design custom products. Upload original designs to print on demand platform like Redbubble or Teespring to sell apparel, the mugs and accessories without handling the products or shipping. Number 11. Use affiliate marketing. Earn commission by promoting the products through affiliate programs like Amazon Associate and many more sites have a well-placed recommendation can generate consistent income. Number 12. Advertise on your car. Get paid by companies like Warfree to place ads on your vehicles. While it requires minimal effort, check with the local regulation before the sign up. Number 13. Invest in low turnover funds. Long-term investing in the index funds through a brokerage account can provide the passive returns while minimizing tax liabilities. Priorities retirement contributor before exploring taxable investment. Number 14. Invest in real estate investment trust. For those who want to real estate exploring without a direct ownership, REIT has the full investor money to buy income generating properties. Work with an investment professional to select a refundable option. At the end, number 15. Use the high yield savings account. Store emergency funds or short term savings in the high yield savings account or money market accounts to earn competitive interest rates with no effort. How much money can I make with the passive income? So, how much can you really make from passive income? Well, it all depends on your effort, your will in the investment. As I mentioned earlier, passive income doesn't mean no effort. Whether you're into renting out a property, writing an ebook, or creating the product, it takes time, consistency, and bit a hassle to the setup properly. But here is the good news: passive income is a long-term game. While it won't be make the rich easily overnight, steady and profitable source of the passive income can build you a significant amount of either over time. You could earn everywhere from a few $1,000s to hundreds of dollars and hundreds thousands of dollars. It's all depend on your dedication, strategy, and you will the maintaining your growth and income streams. So don't expect instant result, but if you stick with it, and the rewards can be life changing. Remember, passive income takes work, but with the right mindset and effort, the rewards is definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more information financial freedom topic. See you in the next video. Bye bye.